Hi guys, how are you today? I'm Emily, and I'm excited to be here with you for the second episode of AI Learning English. I'm really excited, how about you? Let's get started with today's lesson. Present continuous. The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening now, or that are happening temporarily. The formula for the present continuous tense is as follows. Affirmative form. Subject plus am, is, are, plus verb ing. Negative form. Subject plus am, is, are, not, plus verb ing. Examples. She's eating. She's not reading. It's raining. The sun isn't shining. He is running. He isn't walking. I'm working. I'm not watching TV. Maria is reading a book. She isn't eating. The bus is coming. We're having dinner. You're not listening to me. The children are doing their homework. Here are some more examples. Please be quiet, I'm working. The weather is nice, it's not raining. Where is he? He's playing in the park. You can turn off the TV, I'm not watching it. Question form. The question form of the present continuous tense is as follows. Am, is, are, plus subject, plus verb ing. Examples. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I'm fine, thanks. Is it raining? Yes, take an umbrella. Why are you wearing a coat? It's not cold. What is Eric doing? He's studying for his exam. What are the children doing? They're watching TV. As a summary, please note the following tables. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Don't forget to do the exercises for this session and leave your feedback in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson. That's all for today. See you next time.